We had the whole ship to ourselves.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. No, colors. Auto weapons engaged. Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Oh no, oh no.
Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Train. Come. Papa. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Ah, there it is. After that train. Then pilot brakes.
Brakes, slower than the red light. Fail.
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
I hit the brakes.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Out of the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friends, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon the last car. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get up! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.